Hello all. So today we are going to cover the remaining questions of MHSET Commerce paper 2. So we are starting with the question number 66. Dash is a measure of sensitivity of future cash flows and profits of a bank to unanticipated exchange rates. So this is known as transaction exposure. Option B is the correct answer. So moving on to the question number 67. AAA symbol used by CRISIL describes highest credit quality. Option number A is the correct answer for this question. So CRISIL is nothing but the credit rating agency of India. Moving on to the question number 68. Dash have jointly promoted to the NSDL. So which is nothing but IDBI, UTI and NSEI jointly promoted NSDL in the year 1996. So option number C is the correct answer for this question. So let's move on to the question number 69. Dash is an exchange of specific stream of payment over an agreed period of time. So which is nothing but swap. Option number A. Moving on to the question number 70. Operational risk arises from inadequate internal process. Option number D is the correct answer. So moving on to the 71. Dash divides buyer into groups based on their knowledge, attitude, uses or response to a product. So these are all covered in the psychographic segmentation. Option number C is the correct answer for the question number 71. Moving on to the 72. Dash value is P received benefit received from a product as an outcome of some particular occasion or situation. So this is known as novelty. Option number A is the correct answer. So moving on to the question number 73. People, planet and profit are another three P's are associated with green marketing. Option number B is the correct answer. So moving on to the 74. Dash consists of launching the new product at a low price and spending heavily on promotion. So this is known as rapid penetration strategy. Option number C is the correct answer. So moving on to the question number 75. Dash is a positive differential effect that knowing the brand name has on consumer response to the product or service. So again it is a direct question. It is known as brand loyalty. So moving on to the question number 76. A further three P's are incorporated in marketing of services are known as process, physical evidence, people. So option B is the correct answer. Moving on to the 77. Dash are special displays, racks, showing cases, banner, exhibits, signages, etc. that are placed in retail store to support the sale of a brand by manufacturer or marketer. So this is known as promotion strategy. Option C is the correct answer. Moving to the 78. Dash involves consumer to consumer marketing where consumer directly sell product or services to other consumers using the internet. So it is known as C2C business strategy. So moving on to the question number 79. From the point of view of consumer, promotion concept means communication. So option C is the correct answer. Moving to the question number 80. Dash means classification of standardized products into certain well-defined classes of groups. So this is known as gradation. Option B is the correct answer. Moving to the 81. The time for revocation of offer and acceptance is defined under section of Dash of Indian Contract Act 1872. So it is given in the section 5th of Indian Contract Act. Over there we will be having the clear information regarding the acceptance or revocation of offer and other things. So moving on to the question number 82. What does I stand for in IGST? So it is nothing but integrated. Option C is the correct answer. Moving to the 83. What is the fee for getting information under RTI Act 2005? So it is option number D, rupees 10. As per section dash of Patent Act, patent is not be granted in respect of invention relating to atomic energy. So option A, which is section 4. So moving to the question number 85. Which of the following forms are used for GST registration? Again, it is a direct question. It is GST REG 01. So 86, match the following question. So here they gave the two groups. In group 1, the first one is Lalman Shukla versus Gauri Dutt 1913. Second, Thomas versus Thomas 1842. Third, Bernard versus Huggies 1863. And fourth one, Peaks versus Gurney 1873. And in a group 2, A, acceptance, B is consideration, C, capacity to contract, D is misrepresentation. So as per these things, option A is the correct answer. So moving to the question number 87, again it is a match the following question which is related to Information Technology Act 2000. So in a group 1, they gave access, computer, data and digital signature, and in a group 2, they gave the related sections. So as per this thing, the computers are covered in section 2, subsection 1 and clause 1 of IT Act 2001. So as per this, option A is the correct answer for this question. So let's move on to the question number 88. Dash defined in chapter 11 from section 65 to 78 of IT Act 2000. So penalties are covered under section 11 and as per the section 65 to 78 of IT Act 2000. And let's move on to the question number 89. The CIC is appointed by President of India. So let's move on to the question number 90. Every LLP has to file an annual return duly authenticated with the registrar within dash days of closure of its financial year. So it is within 60 days of completion of its filing annual return, they have to authenticate it with the register. Okay, so let's move on to the question number 91. Income which arises in Singapore from business not controlled from India is taxable only for resident but not ordinary resident. So let's move on to the question number 92. So coming to the 92, 93 and 94, these we have to solve in a step-by-step manner. So you can get this on our Telegram channel. Over there we gave a brief information regarding these three questions. So we are directly moving to the question number 95. Gratitude received by a director who under relevant contract is not an employee or servant of a company is accessible under head of income under other sources. So this will come under the other sources. Option number D is the correct answer. So coming to the question number 96. So on December 12th 2018, Sachin received a gift of rupees 5 lakhs other than his relative person. On the same day, the amount was deposited in bank on which interest of rupees 14,750 was received for the previous year ending 31st March 2019. Okay. So then his income will be clubbed in. So it is a little tricky one. So as per this, option D is the correct answer. So let's move on to the question number 97. In case of non-corporate assessee, expenditure which do not qualify for the deduction under section 35D clause 2 is known as expenditure on acquisition of machinery. Option D is the correct answer. So let's move on to the question number 98. Which of the following consideration is not taken into account in making make or buy decision in tax planning? So which is nothing but market for the product. Option D is the correct answer. While moving to the 99, as per the section 44 ADA, resident assessee engaged in specified profession has to pay income at the rate of 60% of gross receipts not exceeding rupees 50 lakhs in a previous year. So option C is the correct answer. While moving to the question number 100, rebate for resident individual having income up to rupees 3,50,000 for assessment year 2019-20 under section 87A of Income Tax Act 1961 is 100% of income tax or rupees 2,500 rupees, whichever is lower.